No, it's Sunday. 21st of May. Ginigising na ni Jan ang ating mga Junakis. Si Kuya nandito na. Nanonood siya ng ano. What are you watching?
Nothing.
What are you doing? Oh, you're playing. I thought you were watching the score before.
No, I did have a look at that.
You have sore lip, Kuya. Your upper lip. Say good morning to my vlog.
Morning.
Say good morning. Look at them.
Good morning.
Look at them. Look. Say good morning, guys.
Good morning,
Guys.
guys.
And si Daddy, magluluto siya ng breakfast. Pancake for breakfast. Good morning. Good morning, my little girl. How's your sleep? Huh?
Good, my rug fell off.
Huh?
Good, my rug fell off.
Yeah, your rug fell off. Daddy pick it up and put it back to you. Nahulog yung rug niya.
Did my rug fell 2 times?
Yeah, I saw once and Daddy pick it up. Si Sak nasa bed niya pa. Nire-ready na ni Jan yung ating ano dun, yung paglulutuan niya ng pancake. And kamusta yung ating pimples? Ang lalaki oh. 1, 2, 3 na sila. 3 na sila. And hindi ko siya nalagyan ng patch kagabi din. Yes.
Pancakes.
Yeah, Daddy, we're gonna cook pancakes. And, on the way pala dito sa Adelaide, tinext ko yung gumawa ng kilay ko. Yan pala yung kilay ko, guys. Hindi ko na kayo na-update sa kilay ko. Yan yung kilay natin. Ayan. Iba yung shape dito, pero okay lang kasi hindi naman pantay talaga ang kilay natin. So, tinext ko siya on the way dito. Tapos, nag-reply siya gabing-gabi na. So, may schedule tayo mamaya. 10:40 for retouch. Sa ating kilay. Ha? Paper towel.
You had it.
I give it to you. Where is it now? I put it here, Kuya. Excuse me, Kuya. I put the paper towel here. I give it to you so you didn't.
You can give it to me, babe. You sell it there.
I said, babe, here's the paper towel. Pero hindi niya pala kinuha nasa ilalim ng rug. Ha? What? Ayun, naamoy ko na. Naamoy ko na yung kawali.
Just a little bit. Not.
Ay, ayan yung neighbor natin. May neighbor tayo eh. Okay, lamig. Buksan na natin yung mga blinds. And si Zach. Zach! Gising, Zach! First day. First morning dito sa Caravan, guys, for 2023. And eto, ang bango nito. Hindi ko pa. Ah, yeah. No pala. Hindi pala first. Hindi siya first Caravan life. Kasi nag-caravan na tayo nung January. And, eto, sobrang bango nito. Sobrang bango nito, guys. Nabili namin to nung nag-caravan live kami. Hindi nyo pa napapanood. Abangan nyo pa rin yung guys kasi madami ang ganap doon. Pag may oras na tayo. Pag natapos natin itong mga vlogs na itong ganap natin na latest. Okay? Alright. Ano muna ako dito mag-ayos sa ating caravan. Buksan natin mga to. Tingnan nyo yung labas, guys. Windy and umuulan and super lamig. Here, Han. Here.
Those tongs.
Yeah, there is a clip there. Here.
What?
That one.
This one?
Yeah.
That's little.
Yeah, that's all we have
What?
here. Yeah, this is not home, babe.
Well, we've got to get a bigger one. A bigger one for.
Honey, this one, put it back. Please.
Bigger one for.
Pancake. Ayan na. Nilagyan niya na ng tubig. Yung nabili natin to. Si Sak ando na sa bed. Sak, say good morning to my vlog. Morning. Ayan, naka-ready na ako, guys, para sa ating kilay mamaya. And si Sak ang unang pancake. Gusto niya plain. Meron tayo ditong strawberries. Wait lang. Ipwesto ko lang kayo dito. Ito kayo. Meron tayo ditong strawberries. Ang daming mga boxes ng pinag-inuman nila. Dito kayo. I-ready ko yung si Holly yata. Mag-strawberry. Baba! Balik na natin to. Ugasan ko to. Ito, okay to. Hugasan ko yung ating ibang baso. Ito gusto ko itong ilabas kasi nakaka-take siya ng space. Sak, you don't want maple syrup? I don't. May strawberries tayo dito, diba? Ito yung strawberries ko. Ayan. You sure you don't want some? Ha? No, no, gusto niya na. No, gusto niya na. Ayan, oh. Fresh. I will not. I will. I'm just...
I want 5, please.
I want 5.
5 strawberries. I just want to want that one.
No, I'm gonna cut it. No, cut it.
Well, I haven't plugged in.
Ugasan na to. Baba, you want strawberries, kuya? Do you want strawberries?
Yes, please.
Hindi pantay yung ating. Ito, oo na. Sa gabal talaga to.
Can I have one strawberry now?
Wait for your pancake, please.
Hurry up, number 4.
I'm gonna take slows up.
Windows. Window.
This one, oh.
Window. What in the...
Here.
Window.
Ah, yeah. Here.
Did you...
Where's your plate, Baba?
Oh, that's still, isn't it? To wait for my pancake.
Si Jan magbabanana to, si Jan.
Mama, I just want cream on mine.
No, you have to have syrup, Baba. So this is gonna be plain.
Oh, I had mine plain.
I didn't remove this one, Baba, because it looks cute.
Aww.
Okay, on top of your strawberry pancakes. Ang lalaki ng ating ano, guys.
Mom, I'm
Ayan,
decorating.
lalaki, no? Ng ating strawberries.
Mom, I'm decorating.
You're decorating yours. Okay. Ayan.
Dad, is it nearly finished?
You're done? Okay. Ayan na raw siya.
Cause like, do you want one?
Super nice to, guys. Sa Kmart lang. Mura lang to sa Kmart.
But the next one's
Kung
mine.
gusto nyo.
But you gotta choose them wisely.
Yeah, you have to
You gotta
choose
choose
it
which shots.
wisely. Kasi nga, yung iba, ano na yun?
Oh, yes!
Okay, Baba, I'll do it na lang, Baba. Because I'm gonna put the cream. Okay.
Yay!
I'm gonna put the cream. This one first. And then, cream. Do you want banana, Baba?
This cream.
Do you want banana? Got banana.
Mommy, pancakes, 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 pancakes. I want a fork first.
Oh, diba? Sorry. Ganun talaga, guys. Camping mong tayo eh. Kahit hindi nag-camping, ganun tayo magbukas ng ano, ng cream. Cream. Ooh, look at that cream. And then the fruit. Oops. Sayang. Banana.
Make it as like a bunny, Mom.
A bunny? What like kind of bunny?
Because I can bake a
I'm
bunny.
gonna put this first.
It's really wavy. The eyeballs.
Maybe we need more strawberries. I'll cut more for Kuya. Ooh, look at that. But you don't want banana. Daddy will have banana.
Mommy. I want to eat my pancake.
Ayan na guys, yung kanyang pa, hindi nyo makita. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo kasi ang ganda ng pagka-decorate na. About 6 minutes agad.
Give me that. Can I have my fork, please?
Okay,
Thank
ayan.
you.
So, ayan yung kanyang pancake. Uy,
Meow.
your ano, your
Fork.
fork.
Give me.
There you go, Baba.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your breakfast, Baba. Yung kay kuya na lang ang wala pa.
Oh,
Do you want me to cut it, Baba?
that's nice.
Okay. Cut ko muna yung pancake niya. Ayun si Jen. Lakas na ng ulan sa labas. Rinig niyo yan? Yan na, nakat na natin. Ito na yung kay kuya. What do you want here, yeah?
Just banana.
Banana and some
Like
strawberries.
olive.
Okay, like holly. Cut tayo ng more strawberries. Pinatanggal ko na dito kay Jen yung ating
Why I face it this way, the caravan.
tubig, ha? Ah, because of the wind?
Yeah, imagine if we turn the other way.
Yeah,
I
kasi...
wouldn't be out here cooking this.
That's right.
That's why I know.
Because you're good. Kasi yung wind nga ay dito sa dito sa kabila. Buti na lang hindi doon niya nilagay yung annex. Kasi last time doon namin linagay yung annex ng first time namin dito. Tapos pumapasok yung ulan kasi nga yung hangin papunta doon sa loob ng annex. So this time iniba niya yung siding ng annex. Yung facing ba. Ito kay kuya. Ayan kay kuya. That one. Kuya, syrup din kay kuya. You want cream too, yeah?
Don't change the channel.
Just trying it.
Oh. Ito na kay kuya. Tada. Here you go, yeah. Get your fork and knife. Or do you want me to cut it?
Yeah, I got it.
Alright. Linis lang ako dito ng aking mga kalat. Pangit ng weather sa labas, guys. Si kuya nagpaluto pa ng isa. You want more, right? Yeah? Si Holly matatapos na.
Mom, we might see Veronica.
Yeah, I'm not sure if we're gonna see Veronica today.
On my next one, I just want syrup and cream.
Huh? Next time, syrup and cream. Yeah, okay. Ito kay Jan na to. Banana lang yung sa kanya. Ayaw niyang strawberries. Okay, Johnny boy. Si kuya, naka-round 2 na si kuya. Isang buong banana yung kay Jan. May naman siya sa banana eh. Yan kay Johnny. Maganda sa may strawberry. Maganda. Pero ayaw niyang kainin. Okay, babe. Here. Nagluluto pa siya. What? Yum. Humingi pa si kuya ng strawberries. Here, kuya. Wala na siyang pancake. Ayan. Thank you.
Thanks.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit.
If there is anything that we can do to make your stay with us even better, please give our customer experience team a call on 0439 846 128. On the blue it says check out time is strictly
Yeah.
10 o'clock.
I want to read it because I want to. Dad, hold the card in
Proximity.
to the reader. Now orange. If there is anything, you gotta come here and tell 911.
I'm not 911.
No, she's so new.
Si Jan naliligo na pala guys, si Johnny Boy. And ako nakalinis na ako ng mga pinagkainan. Yes. And eto, ay, sorry baby. Sorry. It's not hurt. Tatalian ko na naman siya. Gustong-gusto niya yung bago niyang hairstyle na yung tali nandito lang. Isa. Tapos, hinahating gano'n. Yung sa center, dito lang, parang may, yung sa bangs, pero wala naman siyang bangs. Yung dito ba? Yan ang gustong-gusto niya ngayon na hairstyle. Anong oras na ba? 9 na. 9:50, 10:40 yung appointment ko. Yung mga boys, ready na sila eh. Let me see, Baba. Close your eyes, please. Excuse me.
You might close my head.
Nice. Mahaba na yung buhok ni Holly. Manipis lang. Paano magpapakapal? Paano magpakapal ng buhok, guys? Si Holly manipis. Nakuha niya siguro to sa side ni, kasi si Auntie Mel, si Emma, maninipis ang buhok. Pero may, may solution ba para kumapal ang buhok? Sa mga maninipis? Kasi Holly daw, sobrang nipis ng buhok niya. Okay, where's the rubber, Baba?
I hear the sound of empty streets. Yesterday has gone to sleep. So all that's left is you and me. I can promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and
Yan, ayan na siya. Let me see. Sige ang gusto niya,
Let me see.
Let me see. Looks so pretty.
I need my lip.
May lip gloss. Lip gloss?
Not lip gloss. Lip gloss.
Lip gloss?
Yeah, lip gloss.
Where's your lip gloss? You see, here he is. Just put it in one spot so you know where to get it. Okay, then we put this back here.
Oh, my lip gloss.
Yung pabango. Ito, ang tagal na nito sa kanya. Ito yung nabili pa natin to sa nung nag-Melbourne tayo bago mag-pandemic. Ang dami din kasi naming binili nito. Ilang cent ba yun? 3 o 4. Ito si Magic in the Air. From Bath and Body Works. Wala dito yatang Bath and Body Works. Sa Melbourne mayroon. Okay. We're done. So we're just waiting for Daddy and we're going.
Just wait for me.
Okay, put your
Put my lip gloss on.
lip gloss there. Ito yung mga kikay kit niya. Para isahang...
Mom, where'd you buy me that?
Where?
Where'd you buy me that?
Zara. This is from Zara. Tagal na to. Cute. Okay, that's enough. Not too much. Okay.
Tomato.
Marunong ka na, ha?
I'm the boss of you now. Bye. You can clean
Turn
this
it off
up.
now.
Clean it up now.
Alis na tayo, guys. Alis na tayo. Where's your the other, yung niya, yung suit niya kahapon na jacket. Hindi jacket. Vest. Okay, let's go, let's go.
I found it.
I found it? Okay. Good boy. Good boy. Good girl.
Thanks for saying me good boy.
Nagagalit siya dyan pag tino-turn off ko yung yung music niya. Sabi ko kasi mag-vlog tayo. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung morning dito sa park. Kung saan tayo nakastay. Sa West Beach Parks. Ayan. Kagabi, nung pag-uwi na, nung paglabas namin papunta ng dinner, maraming tent na maliliit dyan. Tapos may 3 bus. Ngayon wala na sila. Yan yung sinasabi ni Jang kanina, hindi ko alam kung narinig niya. Wala na. Dito sila, ang daming tent na maliliit lang. Sobrang lamig kagabi. Paano kaya sila ka-survive? Ayan. Marami rin caravans, guys. Dito yan yung tsura. Oh, di ba? Punuan. What? I'll try, maybe. Maganda yung ating ano.
Room
yung,
gates open automatically.
so you don't have to tap your card. Okay. Kasi kagabi tinap niya. Ano mas sasabihin ko sa inyo? Yung kung saan tayo nakapwesto, maganda doon kasi malapit siya sa water park. Tsaka doon sa jumping pillow. Is it jumping pillow? Yeah. Malapit. Tingnan nyo.
This is military road here, but
That's military road. Malapit lang tayo kung saan tayo magpapakilay. Ay, ang ganda ng bahay doon.
Ay, ganda.
Ay, ganda, Zach. Ay, maganda, Zach.
You are.
Thanks,
How do you
Holly.
say ugly in Filipino?
Pangit.
Pangit.
Ay, ang pangit?
Pangit.
Ha?
No, you're not.
Zach. Ha?
How do you say it in Philippines?
What?
Good?
What? Say in the Philippines what?
Oh, no.
Ang pangit. What?
How do you say?
What? Maganda?
Get off the road, bro.
Maganda? Mami's maganda?
Yeah, yung maganda.
Thanks, Holly. Ay, maganda. Thank you, Zach. Na tayo, guys. Sama raw siya sa akin. Gamit ko yung phone. Ayan. Nilagyan na tayo ng naming cream.
Me.
Ito na tayo, guys. Higaan tayo. Ang kasama ko si Holly. Ayan si Holly. Hi, Papa.
This one using more shading.
It's ombre.
Yeah, and we're looking, you will just find a bit dark at the start. Let's remember this. So it will set eventually.
So after this one is the next week.
It's 8 months.
8 months. Tapos na ako, guys. Mama, ipakita ko sa inyo. Baba lang tayo si Jan. Kanina pa sila dito. Ayan sila. Huh?
Did you cry?
No? What do you think?
Did you nearly cry?
No, I didn't cry. What do you
Did you
think?
get water in your eyes?
No. Yeah, water a little bit. What do you think? What do you think, ha? Yeah?
Don't forget to take some back.
Meron ako nakikitang sobrang haba ng
we
buhok.
can't be playing
Ayan,
there.
hindi ko alam kung makikita niyo. Ayan. Gupitin ko siguro. Ayokong bunutin kasi gusto ko may buhok pa rin siya. Bakit kaya siya na ganyan? Ang haba. Usually, ginugupit niya. Ito ang haba, oh.
that car's still there.
No, because you change. Sabi ko, wag sila mag-change. Nakatraki sila kanina. Ngayon, nag-change na naman sila. Kasi kung hindi ako maglutong hotdogs. Hindi, magluto pa din tayo ng hotdogs.
Probably will.
Yeah. Balik na tayo dito, guys. Mag-hotdog yung mga bata. Ito yung nabili ko nung nakaraan. Hindi ito yung bago na nabili natin. Siguro unahin ko muna to. Ito, 3. Yung long hotdog. Abahin muna natin ito. Mahapdi. Nag-ano siya. Kumikirot. Bakit nilagay dito ni dyan yung shampoo? Ay, tapos may tinapay. Ayan, yung brioche. Masarap to, guys, na tinapay. Baka mag-hotdog din ako. Wala pa akong breakfast. Sila nag-breakfast sila, di ba? Ako wala pa. Luto muna tayo sa labas. Tayo magluluto. Ayan, yung mga bata. Malapit lang tayo sa park, guys. Ito yung water park. Andun sila sa jumping pillow. Ayan sila, oh. Hindi muna ako ba magluto. Sak, don't step on Holly's boots, please. Okay, can you bring this camera there if you're going home? Bago isip, guys, ito ang gusto ng mga bata na hotdog. Yung bago nating binili. Pinapainit ko lang yung ating kawali. Nilagyan ko na yun ng oil. And nilabas na ni Sak yung ating mga ilalagay.
Says that for
Manunod siya ng footy. Dinownload ni Jan yung... What did you download, Han? Kayo, yeah. Dinownload ko yun sa akin, pero... Na ano na, trial lang yun. Yung kay Jan naman, trial din ulit.
That stinks what?
What? The mustard? Si Kuya may mustard dito. Ayan yung ating mga ilalagay dyan. Mayo. Hindi ko alam kung may ketchup.
I'm gonna take my jump.
Hinubadan ni Holly yung kanyang jumper. Ininitan siya dun sa jumping pillow. Ayan na yung hotdog natin, guys. Kinover ko siya. And hinati-hati. Anong tawag nun? Hiniwa-hiwa ko siya, oh. Para makita natin kung luto na siya.
No, I touched it.
Lumabas na yung sun. Medyo magandang araw.
Like, oh, yeah. Today.
You have more, Mum?
Yeah.
You want... What's yours?
I don't know. I don't have sauce. Wala kaming ketchup.
The mustard.
No, I don't like just mustard. Yun ang nakalimutan kong dalhin dito sa Caravan. Ilagay yung ating ketchup. Yung kay Kuya, nilagyan ko na ng yung Japanese mayo tapos mustard.
Wait,
And meron
what?
kaming ganitong ketchup.
Oh, look, Japanese, mate.
No,
No, Japanese, ay,
Japanese what?
Japanese mayo.
Oh, okay.
Ayan yung hotdog natin. Oh, ang ganda na. Oh, diba? Kitang-kita nyo. Ang dilim. So, ayan siya. Oh. Si Holly nandun sa jumping pillow.
Oh, it's not even gonna fit.
I know. The hotdog is so big.
And fat.
Hala, this is so huge. Baba, can you get my phone, please? Wait, wait. I'm gonna put the mustard.
Where's your phone?
I'll do it.
Where's your phone? That needs a
More.
More.
Yeah, that's more.
Can you get my phone, please? Yan, kay Kuya. How is it, yeah?
Good.
What do you want in your hot dog? Just cheese and mayo?
Just no cheese. That's sugar.
Alright.
Thank you.
Si Holly, ayaw niya ng sauce or anything. Meron lang siya dyan na mayonnaise.
Burned my finger.
No, just hold like this here. Hold it. Don't drop it.
I'm holding it.
Oh, nakakontrata na si Kuya. Pag hindi raw naubos ni Holly, sa kanya mapupunta. Isak walang mustard. Ayaw niyang mustard. Nanunod siya ng foodie kasi yung West Coast yung naglalaro. Careful ha, don't drop it. Mayo and cheese lang sa kanya. Wala kasi tayong ketchup. And si John, nilalabas niya yung mga chairs. Ayan sila. And eto yung sa akin. Tapos na si Kuya. Ayan na sila.
I don't like the bread.
You don't like the bread? You don't like the brioche? I like this. You like the brioche, yeah? Yeah, si Kuya gusto niya to. Ako din gusto. Si Jan di yan kakain kasi kumain siya ng pancake kanina. Guys, alis tayo. Punta tayo ng Jetty Road. Nandun din sila Kat. Maglalakad-lakad sila doon. So, sabi ko kay Jan, tara, lakad din tayo. Si Sak, ayan, nanunod siya ng footy niya. Are you losing, Sak?
No.
Sumisigaw siya. Naiinis siya. So, hinahayaan lang namin siya. Ayaw niya nga sanang sumama. Doon lang doon. Sabi ko, hindi pwede. Dapat sama ka. Wala kang kasama dyan. Ayaw niyang umalis ng Caravan. Kaya dinownload din dyan yung ano, yung KO. Is it KO lahat? Yeah, so dinownload din dyan yung KO kasi dyan lang yung pwede niya mapanood. So yeah, ang update ng aking Kilay. And balik ulit tayo sa 7 days na bawal siyang basain. So pahirapan, may bagong bagong Caravan na dumating. Pahirapan na naman ang pagligo dito. Pero at least may Kilay tayo. Yun ang importante. Kilay is life. Ganda ng weather. Hindi siya ganun kalamig. Malamig pero hindi siya tulad kahapon. Right, babe?
What?
Not too cold like yesterday.
Nah.
Nah. Ang ganda, tingnan, yeah, mamaya malamig na. Ayan, may nag-jog.
Which one? That blue one?
Bukas? No. Bukas, they're gonna be busy, right, Han? This one? This will be busy tomorrow. Bukas mag-start yung sapsasa. Nagdala ako ng Coke. Wala pa akong ininom simula nung kumain ako ng hotdog. Dito na tayo, guys. Nagpark lang kayo dito sa my coast. Watch out. Watch out the door. Start walking. Come on. Cross the road. Dito na kami, guys. Nasa loob sila, Kat. Ayan, Uncle Doc's. Mushroom. Ayan na, guys. Meron tayo dito mga Jollibee kila Uncle Doc's. Kila Uncle Doc's, ayan. Yung kinuha ko eto, na may burger tsaka chicken. Yes, that's the rice. Oh, first bite for you. That raw? Try ko. Yeah.
Oh, I see what I get.
You want to try this? It's really good. It's like Jollibee, Mike.
Mom, give me some steak, but not you know.
You want some more?
Kumain na kasi sila, diba? So, hindi ko kasi in-order kasi mamaya kakain din. Bakit hindi sila kumain?
Ang bilis ng oras, alas 2 na.
Tapos na ako, guys. And yung mag-aama ko, pumunta sila sa Intersport, kumuha ng bola. Football again.
Pakilan nyo na yan.
Marami na, as in. What are you having, Han? Coffee? Oh, dessert. What's that? Banana bread. You just had banana bread. Mahilig siya sa banana bread. Any bananas, mahilig si Jan. Hindi siya masaya sa banana bread niya. Ang tigas. Ang dense. Okay. Where? Okay, look. Diyan kayo naka-stay. Okay. Doon kami kanina nung tinext kita. Sa my calls. Dito na kayo naglalakad-lakad sa Greenfield. It's cold, Baba. Cold. Ayun yung dalawang girls. Kala mo naman mag-jowa, oh. Tingnan mo si Holly para naman tatakbuhan siya ni Veronica. Dito na tayo. Ayan na yung kanilang bagong football. Gusto mo maligo, Kat?
Mom, kick the ball.
Oh, someone's doing surfing. Kanina pa sila nagkikik. Tingnan nyo na. Inubad na nila yung jacket. Or yung jumper. Dito kayo dyan yung bola. Mahangin na. Lamig na siya, oh. Napagod din siya kay Eli dyan doon sa swing. Busog siya. Inantok na siya. Sa wakas yung dalawa, kanina pa sila naghihintay na makapag-swing dyan. Kasi kanina yung mga malalaking taong nandyan. Ngayon, nandyan na sila, oh. Hold him. Tingnan nyo yung dalawa. Naglalakad-lakad lang kami. Nagtitake turn sila. Oh. Go, girls.
Yeah, goose.
Dito raw kami magdi-dinner. Pagbukas to magpapabook si Jan dito. Order kami ng small size lang to, no? Cheese. Regular lang to. Ang dami na pala ng regular.
Yeah, this one. Yeah.
Pardon me, busog na busog ako, girl. Nag-burp ako, sorry.
Mom, remember you put the hot
Ayan yung cheesy and chicken sauce. Curly naman yun. Not yet! Si Jan, ililipat niya muna yung car kasi lampas 2 hours na tayo. Si Kuya, hindi sasama. Si Sak, tsaka si Nila. Kami ni Kat, titingnan namin kung bukas dito yung Filipino na may tindang french fries. Bukas sila. Ayan, ang cute. Ang cute. Order kami ng small size lang to, no? Cheese. Regular lang to. Ang dami na pala ng regular.
Yeah, this one. Yeah.
Pardon me, busog na busog ako, girl. Nag-burp ako, sorry.
Mom, remember you put the hot
Ayan yung cheesy and chicken sauce. Curly naman yun. Tapos na kayo mag-potatoes and nakabalik na sila sa... Hindi ko alam kung na-vlog ko sila. Matagal-tagal kayo doon tumambay sa potato chips. My love potatoes ba yan? I love chips pala. Sorry, my love. I love chips. Dito pala kami sa room nila, Kat. Kung saan sila naka-check-in. Kasi kung saan kayo magdi-dinner, nandyan lang, malapit lang dito. Ayan, si Jan nakaupo dyan para sa sunset. May 1 hour pa kasi kami. Hintayin namin sila Dan para mag-dinner. Hindi ko alam kung sasama sila Mers. So may 1 hour pa kami. Dito muna kami tatambay bago ang dinner. Kasi ang lamig-lamig sa baba. Sobrang lamig na. Good evening, guys. Nakatulog ako. Nakatulog ako, guys. Nakatulog ako sa kwarto nila. Katawa sila ng tawa.
TikTok na nga lang kami dito. Ang lakas ang hilig mo.
Hilig talaga ako. Hindi, nakatulog talaga ako. Gabi na, oh. Baba na kami. Baba na kami kasi dinner. Dinner na. Dito na po kami. Parang ano to? Ano nga yung ano? Dito kami sa ano ba tong Mama Carmela. Hello, Dong. Hello, everyone. Tito John's eating it. Grabe yung tawa niya. Yung parang may himatay. Kain na naman tayo, guys. Ang in-order ko ay Kilpatrick. Ayan. Busog na busog ako kasi kanina pa kami kain ng kain. So, ito lang in-order ko talaga. Tapos, lemon lime. Ito kay Arlo. Si Dudong na talaga naka-chicken parmesan. Si Arlo na talaga. Sa laki nito, ewan ko sa'yo. Grabe na siya. Sa dami bang ipin, natatawa din siya. Nabuksan niya na. Andun si Holly, meron siyang pasta. Guys, kayo nang bahala. Panoorin nyo na lang sa kanilang vlog. Ang haba na ng table namin. Ang haba na. Si Jan na garlic bread. Tapos, si Kuya pasta din. Tapos Carson. May pastas. Tapos may Carson si Jan and pizza. So yan. Kain tayo, guys. Punta natin si Jan. Oh my God, that's a big pizza. And that... My God, hon, how are you gonna eat all of that? Carson.
How done?
With what's inside?
Ham, cheese.
Parang pizza. Yeah, tingnan niyo yan kay Jan. And pizza. Ang dami niya. Humingi ako ng isa. So, ang dami yung pizza doon. Busog pa ako. Yan kay Holly. Si Kuya, same lang kay Holly. Si Sak Pizza. Kids Pizza kay Sak. Nagtipid sila sa salt. Yeah. Sarap? Baka, Ben! Ayan o! Baka!
Nahuli. Ilang huli ba? Alin, Bes?
Sarap!
Tingnan mo, Ben, ang gano'n nila. Nakubad.
Ano in-order mo, Mel? Tapos na kami kumain. Tingnan niyo si Sacha, si Arlo. Tapos na kami kumain. Ayan. Sarap. Dito na kami sa park ulit. Kung saan tayo galing kanina. Dito na sila. Oh. Lamig. Masaya ng mga bata. Dito tayo, guys, magdi-dessert sa Waffle King. O, diba? Si Anyong. O, diba? Ito yung kay Jan, yung apple cinnamon.
Mag-chocolate
Coffee na.
Mag-chocolate.
Ayan na kay Kuya, bubble gum, ice cream. Si Sak may bubble gum, ice cream, and then hot chocolate. Nice, no? Nice strawberry, Holly? Holly, may hot chocolate din siya. Tsaka ice cream. Nag-share sila ni Kuya. At saka ni... Yung hot chocolate. Here, but how you gonna... drink this with ice cream.
Mine was mini.
There's no mini baba. This is the one. Oh, that was different one. Ayan na yung aking guys. Ito yung mini waffle with strawberry, chocolate, and ayan, may ice cream. Guys, dito na kami sa Caravan. I-close ko na yung vlog. Yun na yung vlog natin for today. Medyo mahaba siguro yung vlog natin. Hindi ko alam. But anyway, yun na yung vlog natin. Thank you guys. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in my next vlog. Good night. Paliligo yung dalawa. Si Holly antok na antok na. Okay guys, bye. 9:15 pa lang naman. But yun na. Good night.
Cause I think I do want you next to me.